Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Courtney and I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark and eBay. If you're not new, thanks for coming back. It always means the world to me. So I am here today with a very exciting new video that I teamed up with Amber Resells. Hey Amber, we connected on Instagram. I think I commented on a story of hers and she replied back and said she had seen my videos. And I was super excited, and we've been chatting for the last couple months via Instagram. When we first started talking, I threw out this video idea because I feel like one of the reasons I started watching her and really liked her videos was as a new reseller last July, I was kind of overwhelmed and intimidated by some of the bigger resellers out there. Their numbers, what they were finding, they had everything figured out. And Amber is someone, if you haven't seen her videos, she's part-time. She's still relatively new and she's just kind of honest and transparent. She doesn't have it all figured out. And I just liked that she was very relatable as a new reseller. And I think a lot of people do too, because she's got quite a few subscribers. So Amber, I threw out this idea. I had come up with a number of different video ideas before I started YouTube that I wanted to try out. Probably the most popular that I've done already is the bins versus stores. So I went onto YouTube, searched to see if there was anything similar and couldn't find anything and was excited to roll out original content. And I was told recently that there are one or two people that have already picked up the bins versus stores idea. And that's exciting. And if you're watching, thank you. That's very flattering. So this is another hopefully kind of original idea. So I reached out to Amber and told her that I thought it would be fun since she lives in Des Moines, I live just outside of Los Angeles, that what if we went to the bins, we both spent approximately the same amount of time, same amount of money, and we sent each other what we found. Kind of a little mystery box, but keep in mind, this is just to connect with Amber. She could have sent me all Walmart stuff and I would still be super excited because it's just a way to connect with someone that I've only met virtually and hope to meet in person someday. But it just was more for fun than anything, but also to kind of show the bins versus bins comparison. Now keep in mind, I go to the same bins all the time and one day is amazing and the next day is terrible. So it's not a true A/B test or comparison, but I was just hoping that this would be pretty fun to do on camera for us both. And so with that said, I'm just gonna jump in and open this box. If you've seen any of my box reviews before of ThredUp or anything like that, I typically do open box off camera, but this was one because I have no expectations. I thought I would actually just do the unboxing on camera. So with that, if you like this type of content, reseller content, definitely feel free to subscribe if you haven't already, and feel free to give it a thumbs up to let me and Amber know, or Amber and I know, that we should maybe do more of this kind of stuff. The expectations around this were we were going to spend 2 hours. What we found in 2 hours, 5 pounds, which would be $10 or less. So my bins are $1.99 per pound. Hers are, I can't remember what she said, $1.50 or something around there. So we knew that it would be basically a 5-pound box for under $10 in under 2 hours. And what could we find at our bins? And so with that, she definitely does have some plastic packaging, which is great, perfect. Oh, there's stuff in here. A little note, and it looks like something, a belt, which I'll get to in a second. I think that's it. So with that, here's her note. This was such a fun idea. Thanks for asking me to do this with you. And then I did tell her that because I do like to share comps on my video, if she wouldn't mind giving me approximate comps for the items in here. That way we could still have the open box and it wouldn't really require hopefully too much editing. So thank you for doing that because I think comps are really helpful personally. So I'm just gonna jump in. Let's see. And I don't know if I can stay. I guess the first item on her list is a fossil belt, and that's the very first thing in here, which is actually really exciting because I've done pretty well with belts. I don't remember who I heard the tip from. I want to say it may have been Empty Hanger originally, but I have heard other people say it since. That leather belts genuine leather belts can sometimes do really well. And I would say I haven't picked up too many, but when I find a cute one or a great brand like Fossil, I am excited to pick them up because they do sell, and usually they're not very expensive. So this is awesome because I personally love Fossil. I'm not sure what size this is, but her comps that she shared, oh, it's a size 42. She wrote that too. She's thinking it should get about $15, which is awesome. And that's kind of, oh, there's the information. That's where she's getting it, which is pretty accurate. I tend to get about 15 to 20 for belts. So not too much, but they do, for me, sell. All right, I'm not sure. Ooh, this is exciting. It's Anua tags. So Amber did send me a message. She's like, I think you're gonna have a better box. And I was like, I don't know. I mean, I feel like you've got really cute style. So this is a really cute, oh man, this is so up my alley as far as my style, but it's Loft and it's Anua tags and it's a size medium, which is awesome. This is beautiful and perfect for spring. So that is awesome. And the comps on that, she's thinking are about 15 as well. What? Okay, girl, you probably, I'm not going to try and look ahead, but you probably have me beat on this. I don't know. I think they're going to be both fun boxes. By the way, I do pick up men's and miscellaneous items because I do sell on eBay as well. But with this little fun box swap thing, I did just give her women's items because I think I asked her and I think she just sells women's. So these are some Lululemon capri. They have side mesh. I'm not sure if it's going to pick up. Here's the little logo. So funny enough, which I guess I'll share now. So this is a size 12 and her comp, she's thinking around 35 is what I should be able to get. Oh, they have some pockets. This is awesome. Amber, I'm just going to disclose it now. But I hope you'll forgive me. I'll still mail it to you if you want it. So I did find a Lululemon item for her. And if you watched one of my recent hauls from the bins, I shared this. And so I went to the bins one full day. And my first 2 hours, I went with my mom. My first 2 hours were just dedicated to finding stuff for her box. I found a couple men's items, which I knew I wasn't going to include. And I found some extra items just in case anything was damaged when I got home. I didn't want to send her anything damaged. And one of them was a Lululemon scuba hoodie. And if you saw my recent haul, I didn't send this to her for 2 reasons. One, it's kind of heavy and I didn't want her to open a box of like 3 items. So I was very hesitant on that. And then the other thing is I've never picked up a scuba hoodie. And so I did some research because I do know they fake these. And the one sign, and I haven't listed this myself either because I'm just not confident it's real and I wouldn't want to sell a fake item. The one clue that concerns me about this being fake is the zipper pull does not say YKK. And everything that I've done online says that real Lululemon has YKK zippers and this is not. So Amber, if you're watching this, I will happily send this to you if you would like it for your own personal use. I just didn't want to send you a fake item and then have you be bummed. So I'm super excited you found Lululemon. That's awesome, but you didn't get any. So sorry about that. I did get 2 other items. Like I said, I got a couple extras. This was another dress that I got for her box and then it ended up having a stain. I am going to try and treat it. It's a Reese. It's like I'm totally getting off topic, but it's a cute little dress. This had some stains and it's cream. So I'm going to try and hand wash it and see if it's resellable. And then there was an Intimately Free People. I was really excited. It was a cute little tunic. And I actually had it in her box. And then right as I was packaging it up, it had a couple faint stains. So those were the 3 items. I'm glad I got a few extra because I didn't want to send her anything damaged. But Amber, let me know about that Lululemon. I've got you if you want it. All right, next up is a pair of Prana, which I think she said in a couple videos she loves selling Prana, so I'm surprised she gave this up. But here's the label. I haven't seen this exact label. I love Prana as well. I own it. It's kind of a yoga, kind of outdoor wear, athleisure kind of brand. And these are cool. These are just capris. and definitely good. So she's thinking about 20 to 40. So she did acknowledge this is an older tag, and maybe that's why I haven't seen it. So she was kind of thinking closer to 20 on the comps. This next one is, I'm not sure which way to grab. Dress pants. Some Banana Republic. This is a size 16 and it's a Ryan fit. So these are some black like dress pants, which is awesome. And I can't remember, I have seen multiple people, and I think I've said this in my videos as well. I try to give credit where credit is due unless I hear it from multiple people, and then I just kind of share that. When you see Banana Republic or J. Crew or any of those kind of mall brands, and they have like a name attached to a style, that many people, including myself, will pick those up because they're kind of easy for people to buy more of, especially if it's kind of a classic black pant. So this is awesome because it's a great size 16. She is thinking about 20 for these, which sounds about right. This is a J. Crew. Oh, this is super cute. Perfect for spring. This is a J. Crew factory. It's like a little sleeveless blouse. And I will pick up anything, especially right now with spring and summer. Although I try to aim for higher comps when sourcing, I'm trying to pick up some stuff that style-wise would be perfect for spring and summer, because I think spring and summer is just going to have a lot of sales that aren't super high, but just a lot of volume. So this is perfect for that. This is a size 6 and just really cute style. She's thinking about 15 for this. This is so fun. So excited she agreed to this. All right, so these are fun. These are American Apparel. I'm not sure how to describe them. They're kind of shiny. I'm not sure. They look like they're high-waisted, and they are a like skinny pant. I feel like I've seen or heard a name like Disco Pants. I don't know if that's a different brand, but this is American Apparel, which I will pick up. I don't always pick up, but I will pick up depending on the style. These are pretty tiny, but I think they have a little bit of stretch. Yeah, I don't know if these are called the disco pant. I feel like they might have one, and this might be it. So I'll have to do some more. Oh yeah, oh, Amber already did the research. They are disco pants. So a size extra small, average of comps is about 30. Oh, they're cut off ankles. So that's what she's pointing out. So someone trimmed them probably to make them cropped. So she's thinking probably more like 20. But that's exciting. I've never found the disco pants before. And then I think this is the last item, which is, oh, this is cute. What is this? Oh, okay. Oh, all right. So this looks like it's a dress. It's a one shoulder. Oh, this is really pretty. I love draped. Is this a dress or a tunic? She said one sleeve dress, I think. Okay, glad we're on the same page and we don't actually know. I'll have to measure. This looks like it could be I mean, it's a size 10. That would be like a super mini dress. So I'll have to measure to see if this is more like a tunic or a top. This might be like a longer, like a tunic, but it's really cute. There's an armhole on this side and it's just kind of draped, which is really pretty. I'm not familiar with this brand. I've never heard of it. Whitney Eve, size 10, but it's this really pretty print. Kind of funky and fun. That is adorable. So she's thinking comps vary a ton from about 5 to 80. All right, that's pretty extreme. So yeah, I'll have to do some more research on this because I'm not familiar with this brand. But so she did say the total price of the box was $6.45, so it's 5 pounds at $1.29 per pound, and the estimated sales price is $160, which is awesome. I don't know. You guys let us know in the comments on each video who you think won, which bins, not who, but which bins won this round, and we might do this again in the future. So if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Go check out hers. I'll link hers in the description. And yeah, Amber, thank you so much. So exciting to do this little video collab with you, and I hope to do more with you in the future. Thanks, everyone. Bye.